Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to show you how to make 3 sides ninja blade. And you need materials, scissors and one paper. Okay, and please observe it carefully and see it. Now I'm going to start. First step. Second step. Third step. In this middle of the line, you need to cut. After that, open it. Let's make this line go back. And now, fourth step. And open it. Fifth step. Sixth step. Seventh step. In these 4 lines, first line in the middle, you need to cut into four pieces. After that, we can keep this one piece aside. Eighth step, you need to cut another side of this line. And these both you need to keep aside. And 10th step, bring back this and cut in this line. Bring back the 2 pieces back, and we don't need 1 piece of this, and we can keep this aside. And with 3 these pieces, we can keep one back, 2 back. And 11th step, you need to again fold like this. After that, open this and fold like this again. I'm gonna open this In these 4 lines, you need to bend one side like this, one side like this, one side like this, right, and like this. After that, 13th step, you need to fold like this. And 15th step, you need to fold it back. And 16th step, you need to fold it like this. And one piece of this is done. We need to make same like this. 3 are back. And this magic is something special. You need to fix this. Take 2 pieces and rotate it down. And inside this both, you need to keep these both. After that you need to keep this in this. And the 3-digit ninja blade is now ready. And thank you for seeing my video, and please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.